Okay, week 6, day 4 of daily math. Last day. All right, it says round 7,667 to the nearest hundred. So I'm going to rewrite my number, 7,667. You should be getting pretty good at this, so you don't need to draw a number line unless you need help. So what number is in the hundreds place? The 6. So remember our rule, the number in front stays the same. We have to decide, are we going to keep this number that we underlined a 6, or are we going to turn it into a 7? When I look behind it, it's a 6. And the rule is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, we round up. So we're going to add 1 to the 6 to get 7. So you should have rounded it, and all the numbers behind it become zeros. 7,700. All right, let's look at the next problem. Divide the rectangle into sixths. Label each sixth with the appropriate fraction. So again, I need 6 equal pieces. So I'm going to divide my rectangle into thirds first. And then I'm just going to cut it across this way. And then I have 6 equal pieces. Then it says to label each fraction. So 1/6 in each section. All right, Oliver earns $4 a day for 7 days for doing chores. Each day, his mom takes out $2 and puts it into a savings account. For Oliver, how much money does Oliver get to keep after 7 days? So this is kind of tricky. We first have to figure out how much does he earn, and then we also have to figure out his mom takes away 2, so he doesn't get to keep that $2. So there's a couple of ways to figure this out. If Oliver earns $4 each day for 7 days for doing chores, but his mom takes away 2, so he doesn't get to keep all $4. He only gets to keep $2 a day. So the first thing I'm going to do, and I'm going to move to a notebook so I have more room. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to he gets $4 each day, but his mom takes away 2. So I'm going to do 4 minus 2, and that gives me $2. So Oliver gets to keep $2 every day that he does chores. So the question says he does chores for 7 days. How much money does he get to keep after 7 days? So remember, I'm going to do PEA. So he works for 7 days. So each circle represents 7 days. He gets to keep $2 each day. So that's my picture. Now I'm moving on to my equation. How much money is this for $2 and set for 7 days? So I'm going to take 7 times 2. And 7 times 2 is 14. So then my answer becomes he keeps $14 in 7 days. So he gets to keep $14 in the 7-day period. All right, so let's look at our last problem. It's a subtraction problem, and I'm going to stack the numbers on top of each other. The first number is the largest number, so that needs to go on top when you're subtracting. I'll add my $sign at the end. So 7 minus 5 is 2. 8 take away 6 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. And 8 minus 8 is 0. So we don't put a 0 at the front of the number. So you should have gotten 222. All right. I hope that you did a good job on daily math this week. Stay tuned for week 7.